nice little drive to the car wash, you know, wash the car off, get all this pollen off. Man, the pollen is insane, bro, insane where I'm at. So yeah, just sit back, relax, and let's do it. So we're on our way to the AutoZone right now. You know, I gotta wash this pollen off the car. The pollen is like horrendous in my area, bro. Like the pollen is serious, man. Like you can literally, if you got your car in a garage, bro, you can open up the garage, let it sit for like 5 minutes, bro. Some pollen is gonna start to build on it. It's that serious. We're gonna see if we can get some pops. Hold on real quick. Got one. Nah, that wasn't good enough. That wasn't good. It got like 2, 3. But that wasn't good enough. That's not good enough. You know what I'm saying? So we're going. Woo! I tell you this, that don't ever get old. That don't get old at all. But it's just undefeated. Undefeated. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Alright. Woo! Hey, how you doing? I'm good. Where's it at, man? Get this, and then I need a rim cleaner. I don't know about y'all, but I try to stay with McGuire. Guess I could try some Adams out. Try some Adams.
7 is your change.
Thank you.
Not a problem. You have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Alright. Off to the car wash. You know, I pick these little things up. Think these will do good. Look how dirty she is, man. Look at all the bugs, man. Tearing them bugs up. Them damn bird, them bugs gotta watch out. Car wash should be coming up. I don't want to pass it. Here we go, y'all. Yeah, we arrived at the car wash. Where the older guys go when they want to get away from the wife. Come on, man. Put it there. And I had to put the phone down. It's hard to, you know, wash the car with one arm. I couldn't do it, but we're almost done. We got the soap on her. Gonna rinse her off. But yeah, we're gonna be done. Next time y'all see me though, I'm gonna be drying her off because I gotta hurry this shit up. This shit ain't cheap. Well, it's cheap, but it add up quick. So I gotta get it over with, all right? So I'll be right back. Go, now we're finally done. Everything all wiped up. Now we ready for that car meet. You feel me? So let's go ahead. Let's see the back of it real quick. Hold on. Talk about idle. So I'll probably catch up with y'all at the car meet, and then yeah, we can just go from there, man. So I see y'all at the car meet.
YouTube, right? Gang in this bitch. Is that what we curse?
Yeah, nah, I don't get it. This ain't for kids out here. Yes, sir.
Show the vehicle.
That's what I'm trying to do, man. Motherfucker looking clean, man. Hey, I got 5K for anybody that think they can beat this.
Let me get that. Let me get all of that.
I was like, I got 5K for anybody that can beat that. He talking about, so let me get that.
I want all the smoke. Yeah. I want all the smoke with this motherfucker. All the smoke with this motherfucker. All right. We gonna,
I got it on camera, bro.
He want it. Somebody better tell him to Google it.
Hey, you think you can beat this bike on that bike? Nah, you're not gonna give it a chance?
He can't either.
That's a GT 500?
Nah, that's 350.
350? Nah, it's his bike. I'm joking. It's his bike. It's his bike.
Thanks, brother.
Y'all want to start walking around?
I'm about to go live. Yeah, I got this damn baby.
You done brought your bike out?
I look at the.
Yeah. About to say we literally refresh into it. I got my Instagram. You want to follow it? It's right here. Look at the support, man. I appreciate you. Look, you're gonna be in my first vlog. How you like that? Nah, do your thing, man. I appreciate you. Give me a pen. Appreciate you, man. Oh yeah.
Like this little red truck, you can drive that truck. You got this car.
It's called networking. Hey man, look. I'm gonna tell you. Look, be aware. You gonna be in it. I'm gonna put you on the thumbnail. Yeah. Tell your friend. Tell your friend. Got you, brother.
Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Yeah, I got you. Same thing. Where the skyline at? Hold on.
Oh, bro, how you like that?
Y'all gotta tune in when I drop it, man. Hey, the cops are a little bit more lenient now because I did that last time I got pulled over. Police car.
Yeah, my shit was.
Hey man, that's what you was trying. That's what you was about to be.
Come on, bro. Not out here, though.
It all come together.
Yeah.
It all came together, bro.
I saw him on the screen with somebody. He said, "What? You 14? You 15?"
Whoa.
That's all I heard. Bro. Look, that's all I heard.
Mark better put that phone down.
Walking around in a circle.
Ooh, look at the RX-7. Damn, my bad, y'all. Look at the RX-7. Oh, I'm all in the way. Damn, I fucked my camera up. Look at that thing. That thing clean. Oh, they over here fighting. Oh. 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 Oh shit, y'all, they about to fight again. Look, they turned up over there. I gotta zoom in. Oh, they must be, the old heads must all be friends, because they all taking the old head side. Yes, sir, we're gonna close out today. We closing out today's vlog at the waterfront, because I gotta leave in a little bit. Vic, and then MP, right?
Bro, I try to hurry up, nigga. I clocked my camera and then, and then I started.
At nighttime, 0.5 is blurry, yo.
You gotta end the vlog off on the right note.
But you heard, boys, I got one of them too, man.
Oh, nah, I ain't hear nobody say that.
One of them too. Good for you.
Yeah, I about to say, I ain't hear nothing.
I want to re-get.
Not with the moped.
I do want to re-get the shot. Park on the bed.
He out there with the moped.